Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today we're gonna work on this scratch or scuff on this lucid. So I got the polish compound from Walmart, and then rubbing compound. So hopefully we could get this thing out. So I'm gonna use like a wet rag. I already washed the car already. So I'm going to use the polish compound first step, and then second step to use this rubbing compound. And after that, you can use your regular wax again to wax it off or something like that. But let's see if we can get this out. Alright, so I got some polish compound over here first. And this is a wet rag. You might have to use your alcohol and grease, but if this is pretty light, and you don't need to work that hard, but let's check it out. Seems like coming out pretty fast. Unless the polish is covering it. Or you want to wax in like a circular motion, wax on, wax off. Okay, now we're going to use this rubbing compound. By the way, be sure to shake out the bottle first before you apply to it. So I put a little dab. I'm going to do the same thing. So yeah, if the scratch is deeper, you might have to work harder to get it out. Let me use two hands. So yeah, it seems like it's still there, so let me wipe it. It's dry. Yeah, I can feel the scratches there. Might have to use like a wet sand, like a 3000 grip sandpaper to sand it down. I'm gonna wax it and maybe do like a armor and see if it's gonna go away. Alright, so I use a new finish, the once a year car polish, and it is still there. I'm gonna use this last tire foam, see if it could cover it. Alright, apply to it. Some people say you could use WD-40 and stuff like that, but wow, that did the magic. It went away. But you know, after you wash the car again and then it gets dried up, so the scratch might show. So anyway, tire foam is your best friend. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Always peace.